If you need to delete responses in SurveyMonkey, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can remove a response safely and confidently. Whether you're cleaning up test submissions, removing duplicate entries, or managing your survey data, this process only takes a minute once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the home page, sign into the account that has access to the survey you want to manage. After you're logged in, you'll want to click on the survey you're working with. This takes you into the survey dashboard, where you can see all the settings, reports, and the response data tied to that survey. Next, click on Analyze Results. This is the section where SurveyMonkey stores and displays your collected responses. Instead of editing the survey itself, you're now viewing the results and response management tools. From here, look for the individual responses section and click on that. This will show you each response one by one, which is important if you only want to delete a specific entry instead of clearing all of your survey data. Once you're inside individual responses, scan through the responses until you find the one you want to remove. SurveyMonkey usually gives you response details and navigation controls so you can review the submission before deleting it. This is a good time to double check that you've selected the correct response because deleting a response is permanent and can't always be undone. After you've confirmed the right response, click the delete icon. In many cases, this will open a confirmation option or a small menu. Then click delete response to complete the action. SurveyMonkey will remove that submission from your survey results, helping you keep your data clean and accurate. And that's it. You've now deleted a response in SurveyMonkey. It's a simple process, but knowing exactly where to go saves a lot of time, especially when you're managing multiple survey entries or cleaning up test data before sharing results. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.